basically then using the material composition, the CMAP figures came out that we've got about nearly 92% material recycling, and then if you add on the energy, the bits that we could send for energy recovery, we're at about 94.7% for recoverability. Although, I mean, you either call it recoverability or recyclability, is the sum of material recycling and energy recovery. And then we've got about 5.3 that's probably going to go to landfill or for disposal. Okay, next slide. This is a summary of the restricted substances that are actually on the SSL vehicles. I mean, some of them, things like lead, that's basically in the battery and in solder. And really, you could go to a different battery, nickel cadmium, so then you've still got restricted substances there. So that's one that I suspect that there's not a lot we can do about that, and we can justify why we've got it. Similarly with the hydrofluorocarbons in the HVAC, it's a refrigerant. We did talk to the HVAC supplier about could they, which hydrofluorocarbon to use. Could they use one with a lower global warming potential?
HVAC is air conditioning, so like in your car, you've got refrigerant in there to cover the cooling process.
Yeah. But we ended up with, that's the one that we've got. The chromium-6, this is a surface pre-treatment. We've probably got more of that than we would like, and that is something that we're certainly going to be targeting. I mean, when I get to the end, you'll see that is actually a company target to get rid of that one. PVC, again, that's something that they should be able to replace that. We have arguments with the suppliers, why can't you use something else? Nickel is a bit more difficult to change because that is quite a good surface protection sort of treatment, and it's probably better than it's less hazardous than the chromium-6. So, we might not have a lot of scope for changing that. With the phthalates, that's quite serious. We ought to be able to get rid of that. So we're going to be targeting that. The antimony trioxide is a flame retardant. We probably can't. There are other flame retardants, but you can't. It's not a 5-minute job to reformulate a polymer. So that's probably we might not be able to do much with that. With the cadmium, we did talk to the HVAC supplier about this because it's an electrical contact, so it's not illegal. And he has genuinely tried. He says to get alternatives, but he said that it was overheating. So this is the sort of process that we have.